Good afternoon, this is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on today's forecast. We're continuing to track a strong upper-level low-pressure system as it makes its way through the Central Plains today, and right now it's centered right over Kansas with, of course, its associated cold front dragging behind it back down into the state of Texas right now. We are seeing quite messy weather heading as far north as into Minnesota with that wintry mix and of course the showers and thunderstorms down south of that. And heading into a little bit later on today, we do have the possibility of some severe weather, especially for portions of East Texas and possibly even into Oklahoma. So taking a look into the north right now, you can really see how toward the end of this loop here, those showers are transitioning into the wintry mix and some snowfall heading into Minnesota. We still do have the shower and thunderstorm activity extending down into portions of Iowa and even back into Nebraska. And as we head a little further south, we're still seeing showers and thunderstorms as well. So for this afternoon, what we're going to look for is the possibility of some strong to severe thunderstorms developing for portions of East Texas, maybe a small area of Arkansas and Oklahoma as well. And this is kind of along that frontal boundary as it makes its way to the east. And really what we're working with is plenty of that Gulf moisture coming up, and we've got those cold temperatures falling in behind, and it's really the perfect mix to get some severe weather going. So we do have the possibility later today of seeing some large hail and some damaging winds in some of these thunderstorms. It's easy to see where that cold air is sweeping in behind that frontal boundary this afternoon, slowly moving its way through the state of Texas. Heading into tonight, of course, we're going to continue to see those very chilly overnight lows for the majority of the country, with the exception of the deep south. And these are going to be falling back into the teens, 20s, and 30s for many of us. So make sure that you're taking the necessary precautions in these very cold temperatures. Looking ahead into the rest of this afternoon and the overnight hours, we're going to continue to see quite a messy situation extending from the Great Lakes back down through Illinois, Indiana, Arkansas, and all the way back into Texas. We are going to continue seeing mainly showers and general thunderstorms along this boundary as we're moving into the rest of this evening, but we do have the possibility of some of those stronger to severe storms as we head a little further south. So that's going to extend from Arkansas back down into the eastern portions of Texas as it comes into a nice line by later on this evening and into the overnight hours. Mainly what we're going to look for with these thunderstorms is the possibility of some large hail, meaning in excess of 1 inch in some areas, and some very damaging winds as well will be possible. So we will keep a close eye on this for you for the rest of tonight, and of course issue our MetLoop alerts as they become needed. Make sure to keep checking back for updates on Facebook as well as Twitter and metloop.com. Thank you so much for watching today, and stay safe.